What's up, guys? Today we're here at the park with the hill with the Enduro. Could this beat my Red Cat Racing Scout 2 as my favorite crawler? Let's find out. Told you this was a tough spot. I wonder how the Red Cats would do here. Look at all the dirt just rolling down the hill. Oh, 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 oh. All right, Abby, just record the front of the truck for a second, okay?
Ready? I'm ready.
Oh my God!
It did it!
We gotta go! Woo! I'm the king! Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia's taking a nap, and poor little Popeye just can't come to this park. That's okay. He's battening down the hatches. It's a very hot day today. It's some record highs. That's okay though, because we're out here to have some crawling fun with this brand new pickup truck I have. I haven't even gotten a speck of dirt on this yet. Abby's waiting for it. You're all waiting for it. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. How could I forget that? You guys are all part of this family. The heat's already getting to me. This is going to be a good video. Well, I'm not going to go in crazy total detail about this because we actually did a full unboxing of this where we talk a little bit more about the stuff inside, but wow, doesn't this look really good. I love how this truck looks, and I've heard from you guys in the comments that it performs even better with very, very few flaws to even be worried about, so I can really focus on the fun today. The only thing that I'm not going to run stock on this today is the sticker. I'm going to go easy on the stickers here because I've got some projects. I've got some surprises and projects in mind. I just lost the body clip. No! I just lost the body clip. Basically,
Patrons are going to be very happy at the beginning of the month.
I hope so.
So if you're not a patron, sign up right now.
Yes.
So you can be one of the first people to start getting our new sticker designs. We're gonna announce it very soon over there. I'm so excited.
Awesome. I'm very excited too.
They're ordered! The stickers are ordered finally.
So when we take this body off, if you guys didn't know this, you can actually separate the bed from the truck body with just a couple of screws. I'm gonna leave mine on for this run though because I really like how that looks. The only thing that I changed to, other than the sticker that's not stock, this is the battery tray that was in here. And I only have one battery of that size, but I have a handful this size. So I went ahead and swapped it out. It was very easy, 4 bolts holding it in. Anyone can do that. You just need an Allen wrench. And then, yeah, I'm just running a really cheap Flosiin
Why did you choose that? It's like the worst battery we own.
It's a 5200 milliamp, and that's a good size. So really, it's fine. You know, we run expensive batteries all the time. I wanted to do a cheap one in this video. I bought this truck and do what I want. This is just one little interesting thing. I get, you know, I think about this stuff when I'm running them. You want to turn your transmitter on first for sure on this model because this is just like an axial without an on-off switch. At least all the older axials didn't have on-off switches. So you have to have the transmitter on before you plug it in because it gets power as soon as you plug it in. We'll just make sure we're good to go. Look at the steering range on this, Abby. Did you see how far?
I haven't seen this on.
Yeah, look how much range there is on that steering servo. I love that. We're going to be able to really maneuver this thing. Look at that. That is a lot of movement, and it feels good too. Oh yeah, powerful. Let's do this. Okay, lights are plugged in and looking good. I like the scale look. You know, they could have easily added a light bar on the top with light buckets and you could do your own, but they put some good looking headlights on there. And oh yeah, I like that. I like the scale look on those. That looks really good. And the functionality, they may not, you know, brighten up everything in front of us, but we can always add a light bar down here, light bar up there. Just shine everywhere. We're probably gonna add some tail lights later. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Throttle test here. There's full throttle on a 2S LiPo. And you know what? Listen to this puppy. Listen to it. That sounds really good and smooth.
Sounds cool.
Sometimes we get crawlers and they almost sound grindy. That is so quiet. Well, let's do the hill down here in the shade, and then we'll take on the big part of the hill. I think the only rough spot here is going to be the thick grass, but this definitely has power and torque, so there we go. Easy. Now I know the rest of the hill is going to be easy. Doesn't that look so cool? This is one of the best looking little crawlers. I love that it looks like a pickup truck. And there's basically no hill there at all. That was so easy. Let's do this. Now I have my ESC brake on 50%, which is the way it comes out of the box, which is why there's zero throttle. It's rolling down the hill a little bit. I kind of like that. Let's go up this. Oh, that is a vertical drop. I don't know if we can get out of that.
No.
Truck is vertical.
Can you back up? Try to back up. No way.
Nope. Okay, I put it in a tough spot there. That is a complete, I mean, that is a really bad spot, but look at that. I have a lot of confidence in this thing. Very cool. That is awesome. I'm hitting the tougher spots with this just because I want to see how it does. I'm not taking the easy route. Look at that. Oh, come on. Yeah. 3 of the 4 tires. There we go. Now what's stopping me? Another route. Oh, nice. Abby, you know what? This spot right here is maybe looks a little bit steeper than the part of the hill.
Tip top of it, yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's do this. Are you zoomed in?
I was, now I'm zoomed out.
Okay.
Are you going down?
Going down.
Oh, okay.
Going down, here we go. That is steep. This is a good spot for the crawlers. Wow, we might be doing more driving here. How did we miss this? We're always at the other spot there, aren't we? Well, I think that's the worst part, so let's just go ahead and turn around here. Go back up there. And then I guess we'll go hit the other part of the hill, get in the sun for a minute. Look at that loose, dry dirt. You know what we have to do with this truck too, the roots. Das Roots. That is some dry, loose dirt. And that combination of that root there is a rough spot. I think I might have to pick a different path. There we go. It is digging in, isn't it? Look at that. That is so cool. You gotta drive this. This truck is awesome. Wow, this is a cool spot. We gotta start doing more hill climbs here. Inch by inch, it is slowly making it up this hill. Oh. Wow, I don't know if we can do this. But in all fairness, we're at a new spot here, so I don't know the easy paths. And there we go, there we go. There we go, yeah!
Good job.
With a little bit of throttle, we made it. Look at this.
I want to try it here.
Okay, all right. You want to go down the hill too?
Yep.
Okay, Abby's at the controls. That is a tough spot. I mean, just fair warning. You can just stop in the grass because the ditch gets so steep. If you roll it. I'm gonna get closer. I gotta get closer. I wanna jump over here. Oh geez, I almost fell down the hill. Wow. Wow, this is soft. Easy, easy, easy. Oh. Look at the dirt. How dry and loose it is. Wow. Told you this was a tough spot. I wonder how the red cats would do here. Look at all the dirt just rolling down the hill. Oh, 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 oh. Slow, slow, slow. Now, hey, that was nice because you went completely horizontal to the hill and it did not roll down. So it's got a good low center of gravity. That's nice. Wow. Stop for a second if you don't care. I know it. Whoa, big ants here. Hope I don't get bit. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. No. Oh, what a crash.
You're on my way. I blame you. And you made me stop so you could move. It's all your fault.
This is true.
Redo.
Okay. What a tough little truck. Yeah, come up a little closer. Let's get these mirrors. You cannot see, you can't drive up a hill if you don't have mirrors in place. So let's get both of those fixed. Okay, now you're good to go. Grass on there and all. Whoa, 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 whoa! Between the legs. Oh, in the ditch. Okay, I'll get up on top of the hill. Get out of your way. This camera never does the hill justice, but that is an insane hill for me to even climb, so. You can do it, Abby. It's such a tough spot. That's so cool. You can do it. That is such a tough spot. I think you're either have to go strong to the right or strong to the left some. Because you're just digging in now. Easy. Whoa, yeah. Once you got momentum, you got it.
All that loose dirt right there.
Yeah, look at that spot. Wow. That is a cool spot. Okay, here's the new challenge. Let's go ahead and take it down to the normal part of the hill so everyone can see like the standard. How does this crawl versus, I'll let you do it since you're down there. I'm not going down this hill. Let's go, truck, let's go. Uh-oh, let me fix the body, 1 second. I can't go driving looking like that. Pop that back in place. Okay, we're fixed, And the mirror. Okay, now we're good to go. Okay, we are here at the main part of the hill. Let's see how it does. You guys have seen this hill in probably 100 different videos now. This definitely destroys some trucks, and it would be an embarrassment if this truck could not make it up this hill. But I think it's going to handle it no problem. This is not as steep as that spot we were just at, even though the hill itself is bigger here. So, boy, those headlights look really good. Abby has always been our truck person until this year. I have taken an extreme liking to crawlers. I gotta fix that body. It looks like it's messed up a little bit. Look at that, no problem. No problem at all. Very nice. Let's do one more. It looks like somebody was already here with something. I'll bet someone had an RC here. That kind of looks like a big tire though. That could have been a dirt bike or something. All right, one more spot and then we got to hit the roots. I'll bet with this kind of narrow body, it'll handle the roots no problem. Here we go. Abby's going up, no problem. Oh yeah, very nicely done. No, that was great. See, right here at the Frisbee golf marker. Awesome job, Abby. Okay, I've got to make my way down there, or you can make your way up here to try to get past the roots. This is such a tough spot. Okay, these roots have been tough on a lot of trucks, and we didn't used to hit all of our trucks here. This is kind of a newer spot. And I want to point out, look at the truck. I am sideways on the hill, and I'm getting ready to roll, but I haven't rolled yet. It's this tight spot here. Now we've moved a lot of dirt since we've been driving on it, and that could work against this truck. It might not make it. It's very dry today. It's struggling, but it's this tight little spot. Very few trucks have made it through here. Okay, we climbed up the route, no problem. That TheRcSaylors sticker on there looks so good. That tight steering is helping me a lot right here. I have got, I think, more maneuverability with this than my other crawlers. Now, it might just be my imagination, but it sure looks like I've got more movement. I've got to hike up that back tire on this route. There we go. There we go. We got the front two up here. This is a tough spot, you guys. And it does look like some of the soil has eroded. Come on, little guy. There you go. Oh. feel like I need to take off my mirrors altogether for this. We might be here a while. Whew. Not very often I sweat bullets driving a crawler. That's how hot it is today. Really cooking. Okay, here we go, here we go. It's all about the angle of this spot. I swear I think this tree has gotten bigger since we were here too. That's what I need to do. I got those front 2 tires in here now. But I need a little more dirt to grip onto. I'm just teetering on those roots with nothing to grip onto. Oh gosh. I don't know if it's gonna happen. Full throttle. Gosh. Now maybe if we switch up the gearbox, there's that stealth gearbox, right? And we can change up the front or the rear. We might have more success. I don't know if it's gonna happen though, guys. I don't want to literally be here all day. I don't think we're gonna get past this. Oh, all hope is lost. Oh no!
It's like our trucks either have to be 12th scale or be like the Axial SEX 10s with like super squishy tires, I think, to do this.
Yeah, this is not gonna happen here. It's such a tough spot. So here's where we're getting hung up. On this truck, the only issue is this little side runner is just keeping me from being able to drop down low enough to grip onto anything with the front or rear tires. It is just a rough root spot. So let's just have a little bit of fun with this in another spot. Oh, you see, I just bounced.
Give it a little nudge, Nate.
All right, Abby, just record the front of the truck for a second, okay?
Ready?
Right.
I'm ready.
Oh my gosh!
It did it!
Look at it go! Woo! I'm the king! I think that this truck might be almost up there with my Scout 2. Okay, this is a very cool crawler. I like that it comes with the lights already on it, and I really love the pickup truck body design. I think it looks really scale and realistic. I can picture a real vehicle doing all this, and that I like a lot. So I plan on probably driving this with Abby's Vitara. Isn't yours a Chevy?
Yes.
So I think that would be fun to drive together. Abby and I have plans to go crawling and scaling together.
I like it.
Trailing
as well as trailing, crawling and trailing.
Yes. We're going to do that in some upcoming videos, so you truck guys that also like these kind of trucks, get ready for that coming to the channel. We're also going to mix in some drones that we have an eye on, and I'm hoping to pick up another plane or two here soon for the channel. But in the very near future, look at my mirror. Oh no, my mirror.
I think all this is missing is the smoke machine, Nate.
Yeah, that and a little bit more lights would be okay. I mean, the headlights are awesome, but
you could just strap a smoke bomb to this like you did the one truck. You guys missed that video of us driving the little WL Toys truck around the track with the smoke bomb? Go watch it. Gotta check that out. That was so much fun. A lot of you guys did miss that one. So we'll be doing a lot of driving our trucks in the very near future, taking two trucks out at a time to see which one maybe performs a little bit better, and just to have fun in the hobby, because that's what this channel's all about. Our channel, just have fun in the hobby. The only way you can do this hobby wrong is if you're not having fun or you're bringing others down. So if you like this truck as much as I do, we'll have it linked in the description box below for you. I am a huge fan of this on its first day of performance. I think it did a really good job right out of the box with no adjustments at all. Abby's up there waving. Let's go. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. We're going to drive off into the sunset here. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!